Millions of tourists visit Jamaica. The feedback varies from luxury stays at major hotels to all-inclusive parties. But this experience is very unique. Our reporter Antonia Atkinson followed one tourist on her journey through downtown Kingston.
From the airport to downtown Kingston, even selling sandals on the streets, not exactly what you'd expect from a tourist. But for one travel content creator, it's become one of the most rewarding parts of her journey. 7. That's how many trips she has made to Jamaica. North Coast relaxation, prestigious hotels and Airbnb, things that comes to mind with tourism. However, this particular tourist continues to have a different agenda.
To me, the culture that exists in like downtown Kingston, which hasn't been, erased,
Displayed, yeah.
Like, it's like, so I feel like I'm walking in like a movie from like 20 years ago that's set in the Caribbean or something. Like I feel like walking around in downtown Kingston, I'm literally able to experience like this actual real culture.
That's Travel with Zoe. In less than 4 years, she has built a growing global audience, and Jamaica remains a destination she continues to revisit. One of her most talked about videos, which captured widespread attention, documented her taking a JUTC bus to stay at an Airbnb in downtown Kingston. In a previous trip, Halfway Tree became her home for at least 3 months.
On one of the trips, I was basically living in Halfway Tree for 3 months, and during that trip I really fell in love with downtown Kingston because basically okay, so I was volunteering at a hostel which no longer exists, but a backpacker hostel near where Weddy Weddy keeps, that area of Halfway Tree. I was volunteering there in exchange for a bed, basically, so it's like a way to exist more cheaply because you don't have to pay for your bed.
She noted that rural life is familiar to her, making her connection with local communities a natural fit. Another key factor in her return is food.
For vegan food in general, I also really love like Thai food and that kind of certain like Asian foods. But in terms of like in the Caribbean for like ITIL food, then of course Jamaica is the home of ITIL food. Come on, like how there's always like scallions or in England they call them spring onions, and thyme and Scotch bonnet, and I love ackee.
When asked whether travel advisories issued in recent years influenced her decision to visit, she said they did not deter her. However, she offered a word of caution to aspiring content creators.
When I went to Haiti, the thing I read told me that when I crossed the border, I was crossing the border by myself from Dominican Republic into Haiti when I was like 23 years old or something, and what I read on the internet was that there was going to be people dressed up as policemen that were going to try and kidnap me at the border and like whatever. Scared. Well, I don't know, I just looked out for anyone who I thought would be a fake policeman. I just went on my way. I don't know, I don't think there's really any point being scared until anything scary happens, because otherwise it's just a waste of your time. I think you should definitely be looking out at all times, which I definitely am. I mean, as a woman traveling by myself, I took my first solo trip when I was 20. I'm now 33, so for the past 13 years, you can only begin to imagine how many people have tried to take advantage of me.
As for earning, she says while TikTok is one of her main platforms, like many Caribbean creators, she does not get paid while here in Jamaica. However, she notes that while much of the region can be expensive, public transportation is affordable, making it easier to get around.
I think transport's not bad. The price of if you're going to use buses and route taxis and stuff, I would say that's definitely perfectly fine. The bus was $100 Jamaican to come from the airport. That's really good. I would say.
Travel with Zoe will be in Jamaica for a couple more weeks, and during her stay, she plans to soak up the Jamaican experience, but not one created by brands. She wants the real deal in downtown Kingston. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.